Hey guys, last class we have seen about the application to application mapping. So now we are going to see the continuation of the last class. So we last time we had logging into that Linux machine. Let me show you. So this is our Linux machine. Inside, in the Windows server, we had logging into the Linux machine. Inside the virtual machine, we had using the uh, IP address 198.51.234.24. Using that, we are inside the Linux machine. So now we just want to discover the Linux and the Windows server. So let's check. Let's go to the Linux server. Let me open my PDI. So here, let me go to the discovery schedule. Here I am having Linux server and my Windows server. So let me discover both of this, because in the Windows machine we are running the Linux server, right? So this is our Windows machine, whole Windows machine. So inside the Windows machine we are running the Linux server. So we are just want to check the application to application mapping. So let me open the PDF. So let me discover this one also as well. So it's getting load. Let's wait and let me come back to the video. Now the discovery got completed for Linux and Windows Server 2021. Let me open the Linux server. So the discovery got completed for both the Linux and Windows discovery. So this is Windows, this is Linux. So let's go to the device, CMDB device. Here you can check the process, running process. You can check SSHD. SSHD is a main discovery phase. So here you can see that USR slash SBNA slash SSHD. So this one, process classification with the command of this one identifies the active SSH process. So the process is listening on port 22, making it process responding to SSH. So let's go to the processes, search processes. Under CI classification, go to the processes. Here we can define that SSHD one. SSHD. So it's getting some slowness. Yeah, still loading. Yeah, now we can select the table, application. We are doing the application to application discovery. I'm putting application because that is working on the application only. The process is listening on the port 22. So making it the process responding to SSH only. So I'm selecting that application. This runs on runs. Let me select the command. Command is the same one, right? This is USR SBN SSHD. This one. So we can provide that command. Let's save this one. Once it's saving, let me unlock this one. Test with let's putting that already we have discovered the device, right? So that one, this one. This is the device we already discovered the CI. So let's select this one and save this. If I save this in the test results, it should need to populate. Then only our work is correct. So you can see this test results which has been populated. So the process configuration is correct now. So let me go to the process handler. This is a process handler. Here we can locate this one, right? So here the SSH is there. So in the SSH we can make the active flag as false because the SSH process handler prevents the classification of SSH settings. So setting the flag to false allow discovery to classify it. For training purposes, it's necessary to classify SSH, right? So let's do the Linux discovery again. We already discovered this. Let me open the schedule. Again, we can do the Linux discovery. Let me pause the video and come back again for 10023. Let this discovery got completed. So the discovery got completed. Let's open the CMDB CI. Here you can select the dependency view map. Let me select this one. So you can verify this dependency view map. Now displays the new application to host mapping. SSH at IP unit to that Linux server. So the new application to host mapping is now getting showing in here. Now we can do the putty classification, classifying putty application. So let me open the process again because if I open this Windows server, we had earlier we discovered Linux and Windows server same Windows server at the same time, right? So if I open this one here, we have the devices, right? So if I open this one, the we are running the putty application, right? So we can just re-verify the putty application is running or not. So in the running processes, let me put, put start putty. So the putty application is running on the Windows server. So let me go to the processes and define it. Here we can create a new one because we are doing the uh, putty application installed on my Windows server, which is classified. So an application to host dependency is created between putty and its host. So my Windows server an application to application dependency mapping is automatically created between the putty and SSH if I do the process classification. So let's name this one as a putty. Make the table as application. So the condition will be as usual. Sorry, relation type will be as usual runs on runs. Let me select that name. Name is so we have seen in this name, right? Putty.exe. We can copy this and then paste it in here. and save this one. Once save the record, we can provide our Windows IP, this one, Windows CI. So let me come back and then let me put here test with our Windows server. Lock it. If I save this one, the test result will get populated. Let me save this. So here you can see that test result has been populated. Um, Now we can go to the My Windows Discovery schedule. Here you can run this My Windows Discovery schedule. So let's wait for some time to complete this state. So the Windows Server Discovery got completed. Uh, Now we are going to going for that Linux server. Let's open the Linux. Here you can see this CMDB, that Linux IP address, which has been already discovered. So let's open this dependency view. Select this horizontal so that we can get a good clarity. Here you can see this PuTTY application, which is runs on the application, that SSHD, right? So the relationship with the PuTTY and SSHD is automatically defined. If the relationship is not defined, run the Linux discovery schedule and check again. Okay. So now I just right click on the PuTTY and select view map. So from the change management perspective, it's easy to visualize the efforts of shutting down either the Linux or Windows servers. So PuTTY and SSHD are automatically mapped due to TCP connections that were discovered when the application dependency mapping prop was deployed. So this is the application to application mapping which we have done. You can check, you can watch my video again for this application to application mapping and do it yourself in your side also. So now thank you for watching my video.